kindergarten, it's V week. Can you make a V with your fingers like sign language? Very good. V says V, V says V, V says V. This science experiment we're going to do today is using vibrant colors. Do you know what vibrant means? It means bright. So we're going to use vibrant colors. So we're going to see if we can find some vibrant colors. I'm going to do the first part, and then after I'm finished, you're going to do something similar at your house. All right, to get started, you're going to need either coffee filters, paper towel, a piece of toilet paper, something thin that you have at home. If you don't have coffee filters, substitute. It's okay. You're going to need some water, and you're going to need something to drop the water onto your paper product. Now, I don't have my little droppers because I'm not at school, so I'm improvising. I found this little medicine thing that we used to have when my kids are babies, or I found this in my kitchen drawer here, my little baster that I use when I'm cooking. Worst comes to worst, use your fingers to drop it on there. That's fine. You don't need this stuff. You just really need water, and I know you all have toilet paper at your house, so use a piece of toilet paper if you don't have a paper towel or coffee filter. All right, my part of the experiment is I'm going to use 2 different black markers, and we're going to see what vibrant colors can come out of our black marker. Well, that sounds silly. What are the primary colors again? I know you've talked about this lots of times. Red, blue, and yellow. Very good. So, red, blue, and yellow are the basis of all of our colors. Let's see what happens when I take one of my black markers, and I'm just going to make a black circle. Oops. And if you do that and you make a hole between it, just get a different one, no big deal. Okay, start over. Okay, so I'm gonna make a black circle on one with my 1 marker. And then I'm going to make another black circle in the middle of my coffee filter with another marker. 2 different markers. Marker A, marker B. Okay? Now, I'm just gonna take my water and just drop a little bit of water onto my coffee filters. And we're gonna watch to see what happens to the markers as they bleed out. Hi kindergarten, it's been a few minutes since I put water on our colors, and I want you to see the results. Look what happened. On our first result here of my black marker, it bled, and look at all the vibrant colors that are coming out of it. You can see some bluish green. If you look right here, Ellie, can you zoom in? If you look right there, can you see the yellow that's coming out of there? You might not be able to on the film, on video. And then there's some reddish, pinkish coming out here. So you see a bunch of different colors bleeding from this black marker. And then over on my second black marker here, there's different vibrant colors. You can see some blue and some reddish, pinkish, purple color. And again, if you can see, I'm not sure, maybe right in here, you can see just a little bit of yellow. Okay, so lots of vibrant colors came out of both of my different markers, okay? We talked about the primary colors being red, yellow, and blue. If you mix red, yellow, and blue together, the perfect way, you end up with black. So what we did was we separated the primary colors from the black. Now, did we get our exact colors? No, we didn't, because of the science behind it and the way they mix it. But we're still able to see the different colors that make up black. Your task is to answer the first page here after you watched my video. Number 1, What happened to the black markers when they got wet? What happened to them? Just write me a simple sentence and tell me what happened to them. Number 2 and 3, it says, number 2, what color did you see out of Mrs. Reeker Murphy's first black marker? All right, so what colors did you see out of my first one? Okay, write those down and then draw your results. We've drawn our observations several times during the school year, so draw me your observations. You're just going to draw what happened. And number 3 is the same thing. It says, what colors did you see out of my second marker? Right here. So you're gonna write the colors down, the vibrant colors that came out of here, and then you're going to draw your results here. When you are finished with that, you are going to find 3 markers at your house, and you're going to do the same experiment, but you're not going to use black. You're going to use 3 of your own markers. If you don't have the supplies we used here at school or at my house on this lesson, use what you have at your house, okay? Just supplement. It's not a big deal, all right? And then you're going to write down your answers here. First thing you're going to do is make a hypothesis. What do you think will happen to your markers? What do you think is going to happen to your markers? Do you think the same thing is going to happen to your markers that happened to mine, even though they're different colors? Then you're going to take your color, and this one says marker 1 color. So if you picked red, you're just going to write red there, and then you're going to write your result. What happened to the red marker? You're going to pick 2 more colors and do the same thing. And then answer this question. Was your hypothesis correct? Why or why not? All right, this will not take you a lot of time to do. This follow-up is super easy because you are super smart, and I know that you are getting very good at writing sentences. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.